Alright, you are welcome again. My name is Emmanuel. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you will be notified once I drop it. So without wasting our time on this tutorial, I want to teach us how to design a simple birthday sales flyer on CorelDraw. So without wasting our time, let us dive in properly to the business of the day. God bless you. Alright, so this is the interface of my CorelDraw. So the size we are using for this design is 12 by 14 inches. 12 by 14 inches. So the next thing now is to import our background. Control I to import. Control I to import. So we are import this background. Come here to rectangular to double click, then click this background. Click the background inside this rectangular tool. Okay, that one is good. So the next thing now is to import another object, which is our ribbon. I'll get this ribbon back. So I'll click inside background. So we are going to do the next thing here. So click inside this background, remove the border line. Alright, so the next thing now is to bring our image we are using for this design. So here is the image we are using. Image of my customer. So this image alright, so then we are going to click this image. Alright, so good. So the next thing now is to bring our logo, the business logo. Control I to bring the business logo. Then, like I said, that this is a business. This is a birthday flyer. So the next thing now is to import our text. We did this touch. Where this is on the back page, and size to what is break it. To break, you are going to click on Ctrl K to break it. Then please pick this good color here. This is happy. Alright, so the next thing now is to type. We are still on the text, still on text 18 this to 10 inches. Here, this 20 inches. So I want to flip the size. I want to flip the size. So just come here, flip it. So I want to change the direction. So this one. So are we together? So it's still the same thing. I just flip the size. I don't want us to be confused. You understand? Alright, so change this one to white. Price this one. Price is still 6K. Alright, so click on this polygon, draw the polygon, reduce the shape, the size of the polygon, border line, change it to 90. Alright, so the next thing to do now is the date of the sales. The date of the sales. So the date of the sales 6. White color. Alright, so since that, so that's the date of the sales. Just see. So the next thing now is to write our contact details. That click on shape here. And the next thing is to import our address icon. Press this here. So the next thing now is to type the number. Control I to import the icon, number icon. So our flyer is ready. So the next thing now is to apply our light. You can get this light online. Click on transparent here. Transparent. We want to apply this light. What's the bit now click add light. Let us use so our flyer is ready. Let us save our flyer to our I, then click on File, Web, indeed 6 flag. So we want to view our flyer now. Alright, so this is our flyer. Our flyer is ready. So don't forget to subscribe. See you. If you have a question, you can drop your question on that the comment box. I will reply to your question. God bless you. Bye bye. See you next time.